Wow, this sterling silver earring is stunning.
You can make money right now using people who don't even exist. Sounds crazy, right? But it's true. The person you saw? Not real. The voice? Not real. The script? All made by AI. Google just launched a new tool. It lets you put your product right into an AI avatar's hand. The ad looks totally real even though it's all fake. Most people don't even know this exists yet. Think about it, you don't need to pay real people or wait weeks for videos. Now, you can test new ad ideas in just minutes. I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. I'm using a secret AI tool to create product videos for online stores. The best part? I'm going to show you a completely free way to make these videos. Although the AI tool is normally paid, with a few simple tricks, you can use it to create AI-powered UGC ads for your online store. Go to Craifity AI and click on the Create option. Many people think it's a paid tool and that you can only make one video. But by following my steps, you'll be able to create 3 or more videos every day completely free. Once you've logged in, click on Product Video. You'll then see the Upload option. Remember, your product image should be clear, detailed, and well lit, so the AI can generate the best results. Now, upload your online store product image. Once the upload is complete, you'll see 3 options below. Product shot, avatar showcase, talking video. For this tutorial, I'm choosing the avatar showcase option. In the prompt box, add your image prompt. This helps the AI understand your product better. Next, click on avatar and choose the one you want to use for your video. You'll find lots of avatar options, and the AI regularly adds new ones. Once you've made your selection, confirm it and click Generate Image. Within a few seconds, your image will be ready. Now, if you have more than 10 tokens available, you can generate the video directly. Next, add your video prompt in the prompt box. Keep it short and simple. Then, click on Auto Match. Make sure to add the text that you want your avatar to say in the video. Now, choose an image that looks similar to your product and matches it perfectly for the best results. Finally, click on Standard Model and select VO3. But if you don't have enough tokens, simply download the image. Then we'll move to VO3 to convert that image into a video. Go to Gemini, then select 2.5 Flash. Next, click on Settings and choose VO3. Now, upload your generated image and add your video prompt. Keep it short and simple. Also, include what you want your AI avatar to say about the product. Once everything is set, click Generate. And within a few seconds, your video will be ready.
Wow, this sterling silver earring is stunning.